all of you here for one reason, that you have interest that what Buddha Dharma and our precious Mahaguru Padmasambhava's teaching, what these true teachers' teaching can offer to you. So you came here for your interest. But honestly speaking, the essential teaching of the Buddha, the essential teaching of Mahaguru, is actually externally in level, is transformation, ourselves. But that is not the only they taught for. They actually taught to what is actually nature of all. I don't like to say nature of my mind, me, no. I'm going to say nature of all. True nature. What is the true nature? To realize the nature. These two aspects, realizing the nature and transformation of our mind, is the principle, core principle of Buddha Dharma.